welcome back to online English class. Today I'm going to tell you how to express your love to your father. Oh, no, not father. I mean your husband, to your boyfriend, or maybe to your wife or your girlfriend. Okay, so if you'd like to know, you can watch this video until the end. The first one, instead of saying I love you, you can say I cherish you. I cherish you. Here, cherish means that someone is really important to you. You want to support and you love that person. I want a lifetime with you. It means I want to be with you forever. I want a lifetime with you. I adore you. I adore you means I love you. I am better because of you. I am better because of you. Because of you, okay? It means that I'm not good without you. I'm not better without you. Just I'm better because of you. I need you by my side. I need you by my side. It means I need you next to me, or I want you to live with me. I cannot stop thinking about you. I cannot stop thinking about you. It means I always think about you. My love for you is unconditional and eternal. My love for you is unconditional and eternal. All of the good in my life is because of you. All of the good in my life is because of you. How could I live without you? How could I live without you? My heart is in your hands. My heart is in your hands. It means I cannot live without you. So, this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. Please support me and please subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to learn more English. But if you like, you can share with your friends, this video with your friends. Goodbye and have a great day.